Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to introduce this. This one's the new and latest lightweight folding companion travel wheelchair by Karman Healthcare. The model number on this one is KN-TV10 and then A as in apple. This one weighs 14.9 pounds. It has a 6061 T-6 air gray aluminum frame. The seat width is 16-inch wide. It has a folding up footrest and also a folding up armrest. The maximum weight capacity on this one is 190 pounds. It fits in an airplane, helicopter, cars, SUV, truck, RV, and also in the back seat or front or trunk. So you got the folding footrest and folding up padded armrest. And right here you got the padded bar on the push bar right here. By the way, this is nylon fabric. As you can see, it has a special texture. So it's pretty easy to clean. And on the back, you could remove the fabric. This one is Velcro. So it's easy to take it out when it gets dirty. And then on the back, you got the rear brake. You could also use your foot. And wheel has a nice bearing, so it's easy for you to maneuver around and to push around. And I'm going to show you the sitting position. This is pretty comfortable because the cushion is padded on the seat. So now I'm going to show you guys on how to fold this up. You need to fold the footrest up first, and then the armrest, you got to fold it up. On the bottom of the seat toward the rear, there's a chain with the rubber cover. You need to pull it down. This is the release bar right here, covered with the rubber material. So when the travel chair is folded, it is in 21 inch by 20 inch by 15.1 inch. So when it's in an open position, it is 32 inch by 31 inch by 19.5 inch. You got the thick cushion. Nice padded material. And this material is easy to clean. Alright, so we're gonna test out in the back seat. Now we're gonna test out in the trunk. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.